Assalamu alaikum guys, today we are unboxing a wireless microphone for iPhone, and we have the type C type and we have the iPhone type, but currently what I have here is the iPhone type. But the same concept that you're going to use for iPhone is the same concept you're going to use for the type C. So this is wireless, and then we have the single one, the double one. So this is how the single one looks like, like this. It has only the receiver and one microphone, and this is how the double one looks like. It has one receiver for the you connect to your iPhone and two microphones. So today what we come to test with is the single one. It's the same concept here. So you take out the receiver and then the microphone. You have to connect the receiver to your iPhone. So you're going to put it inside like this. So you connect this to your iPhone, and then you have the microphone here. You have to press here, and then it ons. When it ons green, that means that it has connected to your iPhone. So you go to your camera like this, you go to your videos, and then let's say we are going to tap on the video like this. So we're testing with our microphone like that. So you have to play the video. Let's see. So the thing has picked, and that is easy. This is the easiest ever microphone you can ever use for a phone, and this is very affordable. We'll leave our contact in the description, and in this video, if you need some, you kindly contact us. So when you finish, it has also a charger. Now the box here is where you're going to take off the charger. You remove the charger here. So you have this is a USB whatever. You just connect it. Uses a type C charger, so you connect it to this place like this. Let's say if it's battery low, this green light becomes red. So if it's like this, then you put the head and then you charge it. If it is charging, it's red. You understand? Sometimes it doesn't show, but it doesn't mean that it's not charging. So that's how you use it, and that's just it for the meantime. You have the manual here. You can read the manual. It shows you what the green lights are, the red light is, how you charge it, and how you use it. It's very, very easy. This is one of the best ever wireless microphone you can ever use for iPhone, and you can also use for Type C phone.